what happened? And the governor came to court. I came out and pleaded with the governor to the politicians we need them to come. There's a need for you to call them. They now call me one on one to tell me that people that want to retire permanently.
Yes, friends, Talkbarians all over the world, talk about family, the good people of Edo State. A beautiful evening to everyone. A beautiful evening to my viewers. So you all know, my name remains about Obaze. The crack team boss, the boss of the crack team. I want to congratulate His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki on his award yesterday. Our governor was honored yesterday by Independent newspaper at Eko Hotel, Lagos. I was there. I want to thank Edo people, the good people of Edo State, for your support for this administration, for standing tall to resist the return of godfatherism. It's very, very clear now to the world, to APC leaders in Abuja, to Nigerians, that Edo is not Lagos. Obaseki is not Ambode. Tinubu is not Oshomole. The kind of retrogressive politics that is entertained in Lagos is what we are resisting here. Shomole actually wanted to plant himself as the godfather of Edo State. But the Edo people said, no, we supported you. We stood by you to fight godfatherism. You know? And that is the result of what we are seeing today. I will say that today I want to respond to my friend Tony Kabaka, former chairman Akugbe Ventures under Oshomole. He was a revenue collector under Oshomole, popularly known as Agbero. Today, I address him as S. Agbero because in Edo State today, we no longer have Agbero. So I address him now as S. Agbero. He's my friend, as you all know. And I'll tell him the truth, and I'll continue to tell him the truth. It's like this period, Tony Kabaka has some funds. It's like says small money enter a hand this period. When Tony Kabaka has some cash, I can't buy properties in Lekki. I can't do one big thing for some of our big boys outside the states. Even some of our big boys in Benin, he's always online. When anytime that he has money, that's when you see him online. He did a video On my way to Lagos, I was in the airport when someone called me and drew my attention to the video. I said, don't worry, when I get to Lagos, I'll watch the video. And when I got to Lagos, in fact, before we alight itself, people were already sending me the videos. So when I got to my hotel room, I opened the link and I watched the video. One thing that I see in that video is that Tony Kabaka is yet to understand that Edo has moved now to another level. Is yet to understand that their era has passed. He's yet to agree to the obvious fact that this governor that we have is not ready to patronize them. The man has said it countless times that this government will not patronize Agbeorism. This government will not patronize corrupt, jobless politicians without second address. This government will not patronize thuggery. This government will not patronize cultism. All these social vices is what has hampered the development of this state over the years. The governor is not ready to listen to them. Tony Kabaka, the sound is very... Now, let's analyze the video. Please, if you are just joining, share this broadcast and invite your friends to join us. Maybe I need to restart my phone because the sound is really, really poor.
We're waiting for the election time to come. So when the time comes, we were even expecting the governor to call us.
So, let me reboot my phone. The sound is very low. Let me see if it will be better. My friends, if you are a friend, there are some of my friends that know me and they know my relationship with Tony Kabaka. Please, if you are a friend of Tony Kabaka, reach out to him, call him, go and advise him. When Oshomole was organizing party primaries, Tony was not featured among people that went to conduct primaries in different states. Osakawano Mole's name was not there. Osarabo Idaosa's name was not there. Garrick name not there. Okabe name not there. Washington Osifo, his name not there. I think it was only Gabros that he sent. And Gabros was even attaché. But go to his own people. He used his Esako people, his Esako loyalists. He even had to delay some states, some juicy states, where those people for see money. He delayed the primaries for them. Make those the Esako boys fair go conduct primary for other states, then fly to those states. You are in Abuja today. Those Esako boys that you see around Oshomole, your so-called Oga, those guys, they are multi-millionaires. They are multi-millionaires. They made so much from the last primaries. They made serious money. So So I will advise that you use your sense. Some people call me, Abat. Governor, why I go away to me? If you are that kind of person, pick your phone now and call Tony. When Olawa. Kame Tony no Olawa. When Olawa. Make it enter house. He should sit down and think of the next thing to do. What am I no Olawa? When Olawa, this government will not entertain what he is doing. When Oshomole was governor, he patronized them. But now we have a technocrat who knows his onions, who knows the danger of a continuous relationship with elements like Tony Kabaka, Sakmano Mule, Shaba, and the rest. The man is building us for the future. The man is building us for the future. The man is laying the foundation that we don't make our children to run away from Edo, to run through the Mediterranean Sea, all in the name of looking for greener pastures. The man is looking at raising over 5,000 Edo indigenes as world consultants. There are some consultants that state governments, that countries pay 1 billion, 500 million, 700 million just to come to their state and advise them on what to do. The governor by 2050, the governor wants Edo to have at least minimum of 5,000 consultants. We have very few of them in Nigeria today. We have very few of them. So the likes of Tony they are not supposed to be appearing on anything, on any either national or state news or even on social media, because they have negative effect on our people. You that is clapping hands for Tony. Tony Waladio, Tony Waladio, or what you beg your Basekio, or one of your Basekio, I don't no matter. Ask yourself, with the way Tony was living in Edo, ask yourself, say, do I want my child to be like Tony? Ask yourself before you sleep, You know, one thing is for you, and for those of you clapping for him, if you are not careful, if God wants to punish you, God will make one of your child to start behaving like these people when they grow up. That time you will know. That is when you will know the importance of what we are doing today. The kind of life I'm living today is the kind of life that I want my children to live. Life of uprightness. Life of your A is A, my B is B. Life of, if I support you in the morning, I support you in the afternoon, I support you in the night. That is the kind of life. Sometimes people will be living very useless life. You don't know that your children are watching. They are watching, and tomorrow you cannot control them. So when we have characters like Tony coming out to say, he say he will call us, he say he will do this one, he is not this one, he is not this one, talking. You don't even allow your children to watch those kind of videos. Don't allow them. So for now, when they clap for her, by the time this government call her again, may come answer some things. Make una not come out to say about here because me, I am advising him again now for the last time. Tony Lawa or Edo. Edo wa o wa nya do a government dan ore or the relevance no wa o wa nya do e graduate na accountant accountant in Agbeu or Ogberane. And a graduate in a secretary or PA or messenger to a stark illiterate Ogberane Edo. Edo is moving to the next level. Edo is moving to the next level. Now you wayaro your 2-1 make una dey very very wa il y a ça quand il y a la vidéo il y a la vidéo of the governor il vient do shomolelo wayaro your 2-1 oluwa agari yo kere ni wa Abuja ni wa mo la vidéo na wa so aro your 2-1 o shomole ga make ona kwigo etiwa Clement Agba that Oshomole feed that they feeded with support from the Obaseki family, that they feeded for ministerial position. You don't see other people there. You don't see other people there. You don't see you now. You don't send you go do primaries for Lagos. You don't know how much Romeo when you without the see for Abuja every day. You don't know how much Romeo make for all the primaries when you go conduct. All those Oshomole brothers, go ask yourself, say, go ask all them Abbas, go ask how much they make during the primaries. Or second Oshomole Adjedo, all the go to Adjedo, what the Muja here. Why I said, why hire boys? They know you well there, though. They know you well there, though. The loud Oshomole, wana vima dia, or you did when I feel him away. All you well there. They'll tell Oshomole, Obaseki, you go you well there. I was there when Una strike us. I was there at their opposite airports. We were just doing our peaceful protest. When I come, over 20 people that collect bullets a day. When Una strike us. Petition get that honor you well Abuja. If you comment, I will comment. If you do video, I go they counter your video. Yeah, well, you can counter anyway. Yes, I'm trying to play the video. No, we are going to manage it. The thing is really, really poor.
Before the tenure of this present governor, he have been on ground after the first tenure of this governor. He have been on ground after the second tenure of this present governor. He have been on ground on the third tenure of the governor. So what happened as the governor came on board, he shut the doors against all politicians. So if you follow up with me on social media, I came out and pleaded with the governor, say please, these politicians will be needed tomorrow. There's a need for you to call them. He now called me one-on-one to come here and that people that want to retire, why am I soliciting for them? I say, you will need these people because we are the same family. He's my uncle from my mother's side. That's the present governor of the Obaseki. So when I talked to him, he didn't take. So we leave him. Then after that, we will meet our guy, the commander, and sir, help us to talk to this governor. He said, no. It's your brother now, it's your man. And I've left government, I don't want to involve. Several times we meet him because he's the predecessor. We feel he can talk to him. So nothing good comes out. So see them we hit up. So we are waiting for the election time to come. So when the time comes, we will.
Yes, let's analyze this part. He said after Governor Obaseki came on board, that he stopped politicians from coming to government house, that he does not want to play the kind of game Oshomole played in Edo. He said he even went to him when the first video, the first thing Tony Kabaka did was when he went to NUJ press center to do a press conference accusing the governor, attacked his person, and accused him of neglecting or abandoning politicians. After that, his action, the governor was angry with him, but because the man is a focused man, he didn't spend his time thinking or talking about Tony Kabaka. Honorable Dennis Idahosa, aka Denko, the member representing of your federal constituency now at the House of Reps. I was in Abuja that day. I was in government house that evening. He brought Tony Kabaka to government house. When Tony Kabaka came, he came with his boys. I saw plenty boys with him. They just enter like Otimane. They went inside. One of his boys was even threatening me about Edona, inside government house. I look at the boy. I said, Ama Owa, Ama Kelwaye, Ama Weruwa, Ama Egberwa Aviole, Ama Keriaye. Now, we say I be like illiterate when I feel intimidate. I be like illiterate when I feel. I made the boy back before all those SSS come one and say, hey, man, not bring all those their Nyamanyamanis come government so that they will lock them up. Tony actually thought that the governor wants to negotiate with him. That day, this confused guy called Gabros Iduseri, that day he brought South APC youth leaders to see Mr. Governor. So the governor had that session with them. After that meeting, they ate and dined together. So that time, for almost 1 hour, Tony Kabaka and Honorable Dennis, they were in one other room waiting for the governor to round up and join them. Even that day, DVD Oye accused me, DVD Oye, Valentine, I swear, accused me of not joining them to counter Tony Kabaka's protest, because DVD organized another protest to counter Tony Kabaka's press conference, where he said, Tony, go and bring your results. That if Tony Kabaka bring his result, go and bring your certificate. I still have that video. If you people want me to upload that video, I will upload the video. He said, Tony Kabaka, go and bring your certificate. Obaseki will give you job. That Obaseki will no longer patronize Agbero. You get where they go? We could not share this video. You get where they go today. He can solo. He can value or easy. So that Guadobe will know why they are frustrated. After that meeting, the governor came out. He saw me with some friend. Governor can't scold me for them. Say, Abat, governor can't, I wish I don't want to talk. Can't scold me. Because that time, people were accusing me of supporting Tony Kabaka. The likes of idiots in Anamigo and they say, Abat, Dr. they cause governor. You know if you cause her. If you're in Anamigo now, you go talk. If you're not Josaki now, you go talk. I was trying to protect him as a friend because I know the power of government. I know what government is capable of doing. So me the fear for Ramon, he know the fear because he was ignorant of that. Nobody, the only God they feel fight government. No human, no individual can fight government and defeat government. So me I can have any moye in yane. About where me in Tony was beg the governor. Where we go, I go beg. It was not looking as if Tony paid me not to be countering whatever he was doing. Even when I was angry with him, I would go to his house. He boys go squeeze face. I say, Pa, I'm here. We'll go inside room. Oh, what pain. Oh, what do? Calm down. Anyway, like you've assisted me in some ways. I have also done a lot for you. So we have this relationship that the man were there completely. They to key in. By this time we are swimming millions there. One road closed, another road open. About retire man. He cannot retire all the enemy or the waves. Imagine no support Imagine no anything, but just calm. When we go to the governor, but these are the people behind all this fight when they do so. But he gets sense. Because although he go to others and society at the rest, Lawrence Oka where they hide under, that's why they never come out openly. After the likes of Lawrence Oka, they were still following Governor Nyash, saying that they let governor pass until governor pursue them. Now when governor pursue them, then they go pledge loyalty to Shomole. Many of the people for Abuja, that governor pursue them. Say you, Omanda, Omagbe don't hear ma, Ona Kulia Yakwa, Abuja. So that very day, the governor will like Abat. I know what he tell me that day. I like Bugua. Now we pay, worry, pala, any time I. He may hit a lame, a Tony Kabaka. He may hit a lame. A power like a room with Yahweh Deco. We're still outside. That day the governor warned him. That day the governor warned him. He warned him. He warned him seriously. He warned him seriously. Where, Larry, this government, I will not joke with the masses. I will not patronize you. Why you take hearing God? Why your bad market? Why you new Bini? Agbero work is gone, and I cannot bring it back. You went to NUJ to do a press conference to attack me. I know they gave you money to attack my government. I am warning you for the last time. I will not take this from anybody, and I will not take it from you henceforth. You say you have boys. Go and give me the list of your boys. Beneri, you say you have over 1,000 boys here. Over 1,000. Let me have the list of your boys. I will not take this from you. For a governor to call you to say, but I forgive you. But I try I will not take age. I will not take education. I will take connection. On that one, when they came out of the meeting, I knew that he was not happy. Maybe only Tony Tia expect the governor time. When you try it again, you can try. You can attack my government if it's in the interest of the people. But attacking my government for your own personal interest is not acceptable. And people will say abroad, they cause governor, they cause president for abroad. You can actually criticize government in Western world if your criticism and your agitation is genuine. If your agitation is not genuine, it's selfish. The government, nowhere anywhere in the world. In China, you can't try it. In America, you can't try it. You don't do crime. You don't do some kind of barbarism. Government, no. For America, you go come on air. They say President Trump. The next day, the way FBI will take flood that your area, you will know. Now here we see government finish. He left. Governor said, key into the agripreneur program. I can give you a big land. I will support you for you and your boys to farm. While we have a farm, let me have their names. They should register in Edo jobs. For where? Babana Rigbo. Babana Yatuta. Babana Rigbo, Ugbo. Babana Yatuta. Those boys who follow God, the next ability say, I got all your pronounce area for them. He even suggested to government that make government give a chairman protection of government. No, government party. Governor, no. It is the duty of government to protect our property, not engaging one individual. I mean, we need it. I mean, we need our baby one. Government men now. Maybe you can wait. Maybe another government will come all the way. Maybe for this, my government, no, it's farming. You must have a legitimate source of income. Then they take go us. So governor told him, yeah, he talk and said, governor said people when want to retire. Because in that press conference, was mentioning some big politicians' name. Say governor not they pick their call, governor not they listen to them in that NUJ. So I said, these people, I know what they did to me during the election. Their way governor will win the election because you take Bewa. They will have Kabe. Ekpo, me go on again. I mean, before I tell you what now, they are just there. Why they come here every day to ask for money? You go tell Honorable Bobo say, "Siya, I go ya go no money." They don't know say that the money when they want eat for 8 years, they have more than who could anya. Oh, it's not my money they are collecting. I go the near na way. You get to your money near. I will know, but they will not have access to Edo Treasury when I win. Over Okabe, he était finished Obaseki because they were very close. I was also a group here when they know a part me. I can. I make men. If you see that, if you see some position where God don't want to see, no blame my own. You are. Baby papi you egbe. You soccer during the election. You got me here buze yamo. You cannot eat your cake and have it. So they now went home. And I affordable, and I went election day. This is like 2 years ago. They had this conversation like 2 years ago, even before Honorable Dennis and Omosede's election. 2 years ago. Let's continue.
People were expecting the governor to call us and say, please, my brother, I was using those days to understand the government. You know, I'm just new. We were looking for word of encouragement that would tell us that because he's governor, there's no how you are both the governor. So we expected that.
Oh yeah, Bwegbe. He said because he's governor, you cannot be above governor. And you go on social media to insult him. You go on social media, out of here. If you see me now say about it, we match me a bomb well. I'll fair check. I don't know if you say why you something. I'll fair check what I see on me. We can tell we like we don't want to talk about you. Do I intimidate money be a car? But no, how dare you? Who are you? How old are you? Out of here. So for you to say where nobody can be above governor, you don't already know the power of his office. So you for calm down.
When the tenant come, we are now good for we not to go to other party. We now decide we have labored for APC. We need to be meeting. We now started our meeting. First of all, we started as APC youth. From there, the leader that were neglected now joined us as EPM. From EPM to APC campus. You understand? Because we were neglected. We don't want our people to go to other party. People were already deflecting. We now wake up. If we fold our hands for this party to die, they don't say we are all finished because we labor for it. People that labor for this party will not gamble with it the way they are doing it now. That's okay. Since we started warming up, you see that we are the front of the archive because he neglect us. Normally, politicians, you don't go to governor and ask for money. After you working for governor, you are successful and you have been sworn in, you give him like a year for him to relax and put office in order. From there, they will not give you board or maybe committee. That's what governor normally do.
Oh, my partner. he say after any government win, you give the 1 year. You give the government 1 year to relax, to plan the government. And after 1 year, it is expected that the government will call his people, all his followers, as a you take board, you take committee, to tell you that they are not even proud of their own job. They are not even proud. They know what they are pushing the government to do is illegal. And why not make sure Agbero? Why not make sure say after government settle, they can't give you ring road to collect? So they collect money from first drivers. They can't give some people like Shaba, New Benin. They can't give people like Osapamando, Mule, some area. No. They are not even proud. They are not even proud of what they do. Money when they make, when they work, when they do, they build hotel, build everywhere. They are not proud. They are not proud. So as they also got, they can't go house. They were expecting the government to call them and start sharing the state cake. The cake. Man, on me. Why Muda day?
If God not give money today, tomorrow will he give you? No. For him using that word that we the political leaders, we are hungry men, calling us that, calling us Akberugi, calling us all sorts of names. The governor don't supposed to go far to that length. Governor don't talk anyhow. So we were surprised the governor did not abide. We were thinking there would be a conflict resolution that will bring everybody to God.
You're a governor. Mr. Governor is 60-something years old. That man is 60-something years old. Our governors don't talk anyhow. The man one year Vienna, 60-something years old. As at 1980-something, the governor was already doing consultancy jobs for people like Isama. As at 80-something. As at 1980-something. Was already rolling with the creme de la creme, with the men who get this country as a 1980-something. Imali Buni watching my free bottle, don't they move? Hey, away. Governors don't talk anyhow. This man just go to social media to insult the governor. It's very clear, say Kabaka Rovira. It's very, very clear where the Kabaka Arowa or Rovira or maybe Ogbera. Because if you get respect for elders, you won't talk like this. Please share this broadcast.
For conference resolution meeting, this man will go against it. We see that nothing we can do, that we have labor for APC. APC is in federal, APC is in our state. So there nobody will drive us away from our party. So that's how we now started organizing ourselves. Since we started, we have been a target to aim. Anybody that is not inside, the property will be threatened. He threatened Osapama property by using tax, by using all sorts of level. Even as we speak, he went to Osapama Borough Pit, pick all his heavy duties tractors. And my hotel, he went to my hotel and seal it up. From sealing up, from there to demolishing. And before then, we are in court. When I look at the plan that he's having in mind, and I went to court to restrain him. After restraining him, we have the case is pending. And tomorrow, Friday is our judgment. I was surprised he was telling people that he has gotten judgment. I don't know the court that he got the judgment from. No, tomorrow is our court because he's lied to the world that I built on government land. I did not build on government land. Thank God the judge is still alive. The lawyer is still alive. His state council, they are alive. Tomorrow, all of them will meet in court. Then you people, the public will know what is happening. This man is just political bounty with something. If I were with him, he would take part with my property. Because all the days of our life, Comrade Dansali Osomole is the one that built us. He made us from when Osomole came on board, he strengthened our life by letting us know there's no need for fight.
You see why Iran Amigo they talk say na Osomole be the leader of Togri. Kabaka just confirmed it now. They were nobody before. They were known for normal activities, normal bad things. But when Oshiomhole came, that made them billionaires. They now started celebrating billions. They now started buying properties in choice areas. Till tomorrow in GRA, there are some property you see there's not no molest na get on. They ask yourself, how an Agbero take get properties, not be one, not be two, not be three, for Ihama. They get properties for old GRAs. They ask yourself. Now, Governor Obaseki can give hope and future to people who already go school. Before now, nobody want go school again. Because you can't clear say, once you be cultist, you be Agbero, you be thug, government will recognize you. But Obaseki came and changed the narrative. Before now, politicians don't go to work. They just sit at home in the morning. They will call council chairman. Council chairman, yeah, we'll never. I'm where's the content? Only via the leader I talk with them 500,000. Commissioner. We're married the local government there. Commissioner, where he day? Only where leader, where he day? Where we're here look back. Who he day? Councillor, my councillor, umora for your political father for where's the content on that day or 1 year ago? They were not working. And now we see politicians they work. They still they play politics. For abroad, politicians, you can never see somebody who's in a politician not get work. It's not possible. Just the way we are doing it in Edo, everybody now for Edo now a politician. All because of Obaseki. Everybody now. There is that political alertness. Everybody now, they play politics. I say everybody for abroad now, they play politics. Once election comes, it's like you are a Republican or you are a Democrat. You don't need to go stand for house and phone God because no. Everybody get work. And that's the kind of politics that Obaseki has introduced to Edo. You don't need to sit down for house, fold legs, marry women full house. They say your children they go school for UK, go school for America. Then you say people say no, you must work. She said no, show me that building. That's why their agitation is not genuine. They just want to come back. The man has told them if we succeed in removing Governor Obaseki, the man that is coming will take care of people. That will take care of people is where they will not speak one big English. Say all these people they collect revenue now for Obaseki, they were not doing it well, and now we are going to go back to the old ways, which they will not flood them back. Now here I will play the video rich for now. Tomorrow 9 o'clock, I will come back and analyze this video. Now let me break something down for you. He said, Adam Oshiomhole, that I make them, that I build them from nothing to where they are now. And I keep telling people, if Oshiomhole build you, he's not building you for the future. It's just building you for now, today. That is why most of the people that were in Oshiomhole's government, they are finding life very difficult now. The likes of Maleke, Piccolo, FS, Tony Kabaka, Shaba, the rest. The man only just give them opportunity to eat. He did not build them for the future. When Obaseki came, he told some of his people, he said, I don't say when they show video, they say, Governor, sit down with Kabaka, Governor, sit down with No More Less, Governor, sit down with Shaba, Governor, sit down with all these people. Hey! He needed to use them to get to where he was going and face the people. Because that time, imagine a city governor would refer Obaseki. Say, you need to see Tony Kabaka, you need to see you need to see Shaba, you need to see this one, you need to see Dahagmo, you need to see Lawrence Oka. And when the man will go see this people, you'll see better illiterate We all sit down, they form Jagaban. Say, I'm the one controls also world. You need me. The man tired. That's the reason for those pictures. So these are the politicians, these people. Now they toss if you come and retire them. That's why they are fighting back. And they told people, why way? Nyama. Okabe was a taxi driver for airport here. If I let was a taxi driver. Today you will see Okabe will put gold for hand. Sit down. Me and the government, we are from the same local government. Was a taxi driver. Was a cabman for airport. Yeah, worry. Just take over. Now, let me more quick do small mathematics. Share this broadcast. Imamwebe. Illiterate cannot defeat intellectuals. Intellectual fights. Or you gunana ya lock here. Because you make big gunana there. Manual fighting like fight of go look for him. Oh yeah, cut his hand, cut his leg, cut his head. How about if we cash out? We know he has. We know this one. Now that kind of manual fight. But now like intellectual fights. Now we they dig with them. Now why they fight they had them? Because they never see this kind of fight before. They are used to that manual way. Let's do small mathematics. Now, I told you guys before, when Oshomole was governor, the records are there. It's in the public domain. Bus drivers, they were paying between 3,600 to 4,200. Depends on your route. But it can never fall below 3,600. Bus drivers. Like the area where the Tony Kabaka, no Mules, Shaba for operate. 4,200. $4,200. And according to the records, what we get, 4,200. Let's do the mathematics. Here's my phone. I hope you are with your calculator.
The University of Texas at Austin brings you concrete.
Now, if 500 buses, if they are paying, if we have 4,200 per bus times 500, you will have over 2 million naira. Over 2 million naira. That was what they were getting from different areas. 2 million. Let's work with 2 million. Let's work with just 2 million. 500 buses. Which you and I know that buses will apply, though they are over 1,000. Let's work with 500. It's about 2.1 million naira. 4,200. Now, Oredo alone, I think they had over, from their records, over over 1,000 buses, but let's work with 500. Let's assume that time that they were getting that amount. That was what they were telling government that they get. You know how much that they get. What they were paying, people were paying 4,200 per bus. Now, in the same town, I think that time they were remitting, yes, they were remitting 2 million naira monthly. Yes. 4,200 per bus. All of them put together, maybe highest would have remit, maybe 5 million, maybe 22 million, 2 million, Shaba 1 million, the other one, highest, let's say 5 million. Which they have their records. They know how much they pay. And I challenge them to come out with facts. When they were collecting the maximum, when government see in a month, the maximum was 2 million naira. All of them put together, the maximum when they see was 2 million naira in the 18 local government. When I'm not saying that their empowerment not be just Oredo, Bubaka, now the 18 local government, at least 3 characters for operate. The 18 local government, you see, Akugbe Ventures for Akugbe Edo, Akugbe Ventures for Isako, Akugbe Ventures for Onwa, everywhere, the 18 local governments, and therefore, the three major characters, no Mules, Tony Kabaka, Shaba, but they can't get boys when they control different beats. In a month, they were remitting 2 million, sometimes 2.5, sometimes 3 million. Sometimes during election, they say, people know they drive bus, so they go still drop. Someone will not even look that side. Just allow them. Say, let them be okay. They are the infantry division. Let them be okay, according to him. Now, when Obaseki came with his new revenue style, which people now use POS, now bosses are now paying 800 naira. 800 naira. Let's just work with just the 3 local governments. Oredo, Ubaka, Ego. Let's work just 3. Not be 18 local government too. Just 3. Let's work with 3 first. Now they are paying 800 naira. If you pay ticket for Oredo, you can load in Ubaka. You can load anywhere as long as you don't buy tickets. Nobody will say, yeah, that's Shaba route. You know what I'm saying? No, I told you this. You know what I'm saying? No money like this. No. Now, bus drivers are paying 800 naira per day. Now, Oredo local government monthly is now realizing 70 million. One local government, 800 naira per bus, per vehicle. They are now realizing just one local government 70 million. Ikpobara, now they realize 65, sometimes above, sometimes below. Well, it never ever fall below 50 million. 65 million. One local government. Ego, 60 million. 60 million. Ego, 60 million. 3 local governments. Oredo, 70 million. 800 naira per bus. Not be 4,200. Not be 4,200 when they collect during their time, their era. This one is 800 naira. Oredo is realizing 70 million. Ikpobara, 65 million. Ego, 60 million. This is just 3 local governments. We never got the 15 other local governments. We never go Ovia. We never go Oriemo. We never enter Ekpoma. We never go Isha. We never go Edo North. 3 local government monthly. Now, if you put these 3 local government together in 1 month, just 3 local government, they give government 195 million. 195 million. When the full state they struggle to get 2 million, 3 million, 4 million. Only 3 local government is generating over 195 million naira. You never talk the other local government. So that when you see all these agbos that they use convoy, now your money, your mama money, your auntie money with the market. When they with your brothers when they drive bus, when they torment now their money. They were feasting on the people. They hijacked everything. Now, let's assume that today the state government is collecting 4,200 multiply 195 million in just 3 local government times 5. Calculate it by yourself. What are we going to look at? Over 1 billion in 3 local governments. In 3 local governments. In 3 local governments. When you see Obaseki here, governors are asking since the beginning of this year, oh yeah, price drop. The man is still paying salary. Contractors are working. Everything is still working. We want to organize. We just finished National Festival of Art and Culture. National events. Government not shake. They're not broke. Now we want to host National Sports Festival. We are still not broke. Pensioners are getting their pay. Workers are getting their pay as at when due. We are not broke because government now is in charge. The man block everywhere. That is why anytime you see them doing video, they cannot tell you their body they born. Their body they born. 3 local government now generate 190 something million. So you don't get any time when the government say they quack, they told you when they don't see something because they can still set up a panel to investigate the activities of Akugbe Virtual and the rest, say in the last 6 years. How much did they remit to government? How much were they getting? They can still get those people. So am I no lawa? In the government, I am quiet boo. Because he advised any secretly or marry and I will publicly now. I keep my camera la dia, we go kere. To the governor, Emma. Go and check all my videos. I've never insulted Oshomole. The only thing I call him, we will resist him if he wants to bring back God for that reason. Because by he use us, they fight Godfathers. So my way. Obaseki but she go beg governor, bye. The other governor will just come back. If the governor when come after Obaseki, not get head, everybody will abandon her We will use our platform to checkmate the governor. But if the governor still do well after Obaseki, we will still there to protect the government. People don't go destroy her. We don't go hijack her. So I will talk to them rich. And then I'll still come back tomorrow 9 p.m. to analyze, to finish that video. It's not the one go bomb my ass. I see the way me they go bomb her. I am going. You see that they look for me, they are talks, they look for me for Benin. Fine. Melea. Why Melea. Ime ye kwa. I will marry you na fusi sie, wa marry na agbo ma. Well, kakwe pa evi ya amigo chet no ha ima abatoni. Ma vi ya la dia. So, my friends, I'm sure you enjoy this broadcast. Share this broadcast. Send it to your friends. Oshomole is now fighting. We don't pursue her for the party. We don't pursue her. He's now fighting from outside. We don't lock him out. They outside first. Till April. The next court day, April 10th. Aroe is outside now. Oh, now outside now, Oshomole the negotiate. He's now negotiating. He's now fighting back. Abuja. Yeah, we're gonna again. Je vais recueillir God relax. C'est today. Toi, c'est toi. Yeah, go to a convoy blue Abuja. Over the fire, ya Gualianya. Or you go come. Or you go come here. We don't look for outside. He's outside. Pending decision of the next neck meeting. It's outside. Abode feel suspend Tinubu from the party. Abode feel lock Tinubu out of the party. When would they say Obasa cannot be Ambode? Shebu una don't believe. When would say I don't know be Lagos? Shebu una don't believe. Shemole, yeah, Shemole has never lost any battle. Shemole has never lost any battle. Shemole, you should quick. You should enemy. I say this battle, you go lose am. Because someone on the leg bina, body. No more a governor, no me about Pek below Abuja. All time I will are Ariedo, away governor. He was in the Belco, get 3 years ago, without coming to Edo to ask you for contract. When I been a celebrity head of your Basaki Senna, why home where the contract in Obasaki, the governor in Mao during Oshomole? Why home? When you said, why home where you got pan of Shomole moon? When my sponsor have your sponsor, I must say that any go just come to work. Chamber economic team, young you. Or the other child, custom commissioner for me. Your own government, the achievement of me and your boy, I will give. I know. Now a power you good and everything is fine. I'm going to see those little. What's the camera? Ogbosa, you talk away. Honest one, that's why we want to on your show like Deggy, the only person that can run this state because you donor. The only person that can run it, then that don't mean where the state don't grind, but I don't know what's soon because the government will force to open it back and the government are very well in my company. The government is over or anyhow, yeah, but yeah, pray away or buy yourself. Or buy yourself, but if you don't tell away no probate, and they are swelling with such hospital. By the time a reported committee in Aladia, reporting in Aladia, or you are Kenya Doa. I just said, on your boy, when you lose, still might say 2 billion. The Central Budia, in a way, you do 10 billion. Central Budia, yeah, the big stadium. I go there, I might say 2 billion, but you see it. Go to Central Hospital. Yeah, my go complete it. So where do I get big war? Anywhere you see this 4 + 4 talk bar. 4 + 4 is 8. 4 + 4 talk bar. Emo ya kunya la wana. Ya tabe Buhari me ya game out there do. Ya do get Osomole Obaseki is more popular. Anything way. Oh, the governor too much. Nobody for street when you ask about the governor. I go about someone way. Oh yeah, over now. So this 4 + 4 geo for governor is they work. People, big men, all this platform. This is the biggest platform in Edo State. So if people want to know what they happen for Edo, now here they come. So and then they see una response 2,000 comments, 95%, 98% are positive comments. So why get away with just our Obaseki or can dole donai. I will be happy. Thank God my name will be recorded among those. I want to be part of that success story. Say the governor, even the governor no I will take them round. And people when follow Ogbemudia build this, they follow Ali, they are still proud that under Ali I want to be part of that success story. I don't want my children to grow tomorrow and say Obaseki I have Bedu place now. Obaseki I have the hotel now. Obaseki I have Boareleki. The only thing all my children is on education. I don't get any property with them I inherit. Even they are talking here. Even fear where I'm in Oro, me have the property can. And why? Property and then the dead level, you know. Ne lawyer can viole or buse. Me vie my neck boy my. You know how I change it be. Or say. Then you gonna be na why you give them education. You build them for the future. Without you, they will survive. Some big men didn't want their papa die here. I'm going to be maybe because they are not used to standing alone. But as a man, what the only thing you owe them is good morals and moral upbringing and education. Don't joke with the education. If even the board of your children go school, make sure the mobile second where I go somewhere in a beno. Ne bore mai. Ebe agbo say oya gbo somo le na ebe edere. What you call your children? Don't you got the way people are acquiring properties. People are just no, train them. You go they okay. They help people outside your family, outside your children. Help people. Where outside a party America. Hey, party America. Only a part what's so well. Look power for how we are well. Empower people. Touch the people. If you get access to give a job, give the job. If you get access to send a go overseas, send a go overseas. If you wear one name and wear Western handle Western you wear. You'll be okay. See big men, so the ones they broke, they'll go sell property. But there are some big men in this town, there are some men in this town, they'll be big men. Once they broke, they'll carry phone. Like, because even here, you turn. So I will not join them. To say about the chop up the government, how about they enjoy all the trip when I don't go, all these Lagos, Abuja, when they fly, they go. People that love you, they pay for it. People that love you, now they come and say, where you go? You go, man. Okay, well, you have the tickets. No, okay, you pay accommodation. A governor, send this video to him. I have never go check. When I went for each test about in the governor go, never go. Yeah, but it's got a penny. It's only a little while ago. Well, anyway, maybe a ticket. Oh yeah, you can't buy. That's why even your man was plan no so me. The last also say for that ticket to from it was said it's a call hotel a night 35,000 with food everything. The next one they had here a boss. They had done a crack thing. They had moved from project to project. People that truly love governor, and they come and say, how far? Where do we come in? Where do we support you as crafting? The governor. Me. Well, again, we go down the government of Baseki. Oh, where? Where I said to? Oh, where? The proposal of Yagben, where I am the governor. Oh, partner. Where's the man where I'm at? We're not yet all the university tag bomber. One consultant, we had to wear about a bit of Mugelo Mugono. Up where. So, thank you very much. Good night. Share this video and enjoy the rest of your evening. God bless you.